Welcome to this video on Basic Algebra. Algebra is simply a language that allows you to speak efficiently about numbers. For example, we first learned at school that 5 plus 2 is 7 this way. Also, we have learned that 5 times 2 is 10 this way. Algebra changes this into a more efficient way. 5 plus 2 equals 7 this way, and 5 times 2 equals 10 this way. The important thing is that you can see that the symbol for multiplication has been changed from x to a small point, we call it dot. Now recognize new symbol. The terms in the two original questions are 5 and 2. 5 and 2 are specific numbers. In algebra, the terms can be variable, which coming from verb to vary or to change. If you change 5 plus 2 equals 7, which you know is true, to x plus 5 equals 7, you create an equation, and this may or may not be true depending on the value of x. For example, let's take x equal to 1, replace x by 1. On the left side we have 1 plus 5 equal 7 on the right. So we have 6 on the left equal to 7 on the right, which is not true. Let's try x equal 2. We replace x by 2, we have 2 plus 5 equal to 7, 7 equal to 7, which is true. So x equal to 2 is true. Now here where most students get confused. Adding and subtracting in algebra is the same as basic arithmetics. This is simple for adding and this is for subtracting. However, this is not the case in multiplication. Let's have a look. 7 times x. You can see it's really confusing. You don't know which is times and which one is x. Even if you write 7 times x, if you write x this way, it's still confusing. So we don't use this in algebra. Instead, we use two parentheses like 7 times x, or 7 times x this way, or 7 times x this way, or simply 7x. These four forms indicate multiplication. So wherever you see any of these forms, that means it's multiplied together. We don't use this anymore. So 7x means 7 times x. Division is still the same as basic arithmetics. A dividing by 12 is simply as a fraction a over 12 or a forward slash over 12. Grouping symbols. Parentheses act like grouping symbols and tell you how to start the operations. We have now same numbers and same values. Let's solve the parentheses first. So 6 plus 18 is 24, dividing by 2 is equal 12. 6 plus 18 dividing by 2, so we have 6 plus 9 would give me 15. As you can see, different grouping, different answers, even if you have the same value. Now let's have a look into another way of doing this. So we can follow the order of operation to solve this kind of problem. Find with first parentheses, second multiplication and division, third adding or subtracting. And remember all of this from left to right. Example, 6 plus, we can group this 2 and this 2 as well. So let's put a parentheses around 6 divided by 2 and 1 times 3, and we solve it as normal. So we have 12 plus 6 divided by 2 is 6, take away 3, 1 times 3 is 3, so we have 6 plus 12 plus 6 is 18, take away 3 is 15. Now let's have a look into another one. Now we have some parentheses, we can group this 2, also we can group this 2 and solve it as normal. So we have 7 and we have take away 3, then adding 8 and take away 6. So we have 7 take away 3 is 4, adding 8 is 12, take away 6 is 6. Algebraic expressions. This is an English words. You have to change them into algebraic expressions, and you will see this kind of forms in problem solving. You will see a lot of this stuff in problem solving. So for example, C decreased by 2, that's mean increased mean addition, so C plus 2. Write in algebraic expressions 12 decreased by 7 times b number. B could be any number. So we write 12. We know decrease mean subtraction, and 7 times b. Now evaluate. Evaluate simply is replace whatever you see a, replace it by 6, and wherever you see b, replace it by 2, knowing that there's a multiplication between 2 and a. So 2 times 6 plus 4, take away 5 times 2. We have 12 plus 4, take away 10. That would give me 16. Take away 10 is 6.